All right, real quick video about something I picked up. Wasn't planning on picking it up. Was at Tractor Supply, seen it in one of their bins, and it's the Zippo Fast or Fire Fast, and it came with one of let me take it out. This is a big straw. Use it to blow it to the base of the fire. These really work. They can get a stubborn fire going quick. And it comes in this little plastic case. But the real reason I got it was the ferro rod. And then it fits in here. And I picked it up on a whim. I thought, oh, that looks pretty good. Let's see what it does. I was surprised. Let me get this out of the way. I don't want it on fire. This puts out sparks, puts out good sparks. It also came with some fire starter in about 6 bundles, and I broke most of them apart and stuck them in this watertight tube. And it's just, like I said, they came in bundles, and I broke it apart because I don't need to start a big bundle to start a fire. And it said you don't need to do that either. You can break it apart, so I went ahead and broke mine apart. And I don't even know why I picked this thing up. I picked it up on, just to do it, and I'm glad I did. Now, like I said, this thing throws sparks. Boy, if that would have hit. There it goes. Now I'm going to try to put that out. Now this has already been charred. You can see a little bit of the ferro rod glinting there. I'm going to give it a little bit more. Having a little bit of trouble because some of the bundle came apart in big chunks. I don't need that. Apparently a lot of the bundle came apart in big chunks. That ought to do me. But this is just to show you don't need a lot of this stuff to start a fire. Let me get this camera going. There it goes. Alright, I can edit that out. Now again, this does like to throw sparks. The biggest problem with this, oh, that was close. You get a good spark hit it starts right off. Again, this does like to throw sparks. Biggest problem with this, oh, that was close. You get a good spark hit it starts right off. Now, concerning this combo, mainly it's the striker right here. I have this old ferrule rod. It's scarred up, and it came with this. And this, sometimes it throws sparks, sometimes it doesn't. Get that out. This, as you can see, even with this old rod that I've had trouble using to start fires, this thing now sparks good because of this. And these two make a good combo. So if you come across this, it's worth the money. Great sparker, great ferrule rod, throws the sparks, gets the fire started. The material it comes with works as good as the fat wood I've been using. So it's really nice to have, and it works great. These fire straws come in really handy. I've been using something like this that we make, makeshift back in the 70s. This combo is real convenient. Tie loops. You can tie another striker to it. You can put cord in here to tie it to a pack and keep track of it. It really works. This stuff is pine. I think it's soaked in a wax material. And I break it up because you don't need much of it to start a fire. You can see how long it burns. But I'm not the biggest Zippo fan. I think their lighters for survival, their liquid fuel, are pretty useless. I see videos about people doing hacks to get them to last longer. Buy a different lighter. But when it comes to that, it's worth the money. I would carry that in a backpack or on me if I had to start a fire. Probably better than anything I've used so far. It's got real reliable sparks. It's compact. It's convenient with the fuel that they supply. I did a test on fat wood, and what they supply works just as good as fat wood. But like I said, picked it up on a whim, real surprised, thought I'd do a quick video and just let people know that if you come across this thing, yeah, buy it. It's worth it. I've only seen them at Tractor Supply right now. I'm sure you can get them on the internet, on eBay or Amazon. But if you get a chance to pick one up, definitely pick one up or two up, because I'm going to get me a backup one. But anyway, thanks for watching the video.